Laundry, there's still mom and pop. There's no huge players like Walgreens or CVS or Walmart in this space. And that attracted us to the laundry.
We just weren't excited about what was out there. So we had a vision, we all bought into it, and now we have Turbo Laundry.
Iceland had a great design and it just seemed like a really good idea.
COVID had just hit and there was no way to get loans. The Huebsch being able to give you a little bit of extra money to help you build out your store, that was exactly what we needed at the exact right time.
We could get the equipment and a little bit of money on top to help with the build out, and we didn't have to put anything down. I'm like, what company would give newbies all of this equipment? And so that kind of gave us an extra boost of confidence.
Alice did a great job. First of all, they helped run all the demographics and found this location, and this location is great. It helped us with the layout, helped us decide trough versus pipe. They really only have to sell the equipment, right? But they go so far above and beyond. Who does that?
Atlas brings to the table for new investors over 100 years worth of experience in building vended laundries, finding a location, doing demographics, competitive analysis, all that stuff.
I love the washers and dryers. They are just amazing.
These bright green machines, they're just so bold. So I just started having fun with it and working the green in all over the place.
They are beautiful machines.
And we have a pretty store.
With the technology from Huebsch, you were able to control your utilities a lot better than the competitors. So these customers are able to remotely operate their store via their cell phone. They can do everything remotely and know when it's time to collect money, things like that.
We go in there and check on our iPhone. We're able to do reprogramming of prices. It's really great to have that right there.
We want to be very clean. I mean, when customers walk through the door, we want to give them a very good experience. Just a really nice place for the community to come and do their laundry.
It's great to be able just to provide the community with a place they can feel safe.
They keep the store clean. As you can see, it's very well lit.
We have the charging bar over here where they could sit, get on their laptops, free Wi-Fi, chill out, and make it really customer service friendly. We give out free popcorn, we have prizes.
I've never seen a laundromat like this. This is the only place I will ever do laundry again. I've had multiple people tell me that.
Some people even want to take pictures in front of our logo wall.
We're not the cheapest laundry in the area, and we're okay with that. The cleanliness, the customer service, it makes it worth it, and they keep coming back.
I think it's very similar to like what McDonald's did, where they built these giant 2-story kid fun centers. It works. Probably be doing this for the rest of my life. I know that. I feel really good about this. I don't want to change.
I wake up in the morning and I cannot wait to get here. I got to be here, man. I love it.
It is so much fun to put these stores in and see somebody build a second store, third store, and they're hitting on all cylinders now, and we're real happy about it.
Well, I think in 5 years we would have multiple locations. We have our pickup and delivery service in multiple states.
I mean, I could see 50 delivery vans. I could see multiple locations. We're even talking about satellite locations and lollipop routes and all sorts of other things.
I don't know why we can't replicate this somewhere else.